Hello, it's Thursday, December 30, 2021. The following are the important articles that we have to read for our competitive examinations from the Hindu newspaper. So let us get into the first article without any further delay. To page number 8, that is editorial. The first article is A Whiff of Trouble in Nord Stream Pipeline. So this is something that you have to read from prelims perspective. What is Nord Stream Pipeline? Why it is giving current tensions between US and European Union and Russia. Coming to page number 9, op-ed, the efficacy myth or efficiency myth of Aadhaar linking. This is in regards to the linking of Aadhaar with voter ID and many other things. Try to get this from data perspective. That would certainly help if you are making an argument against linking or for Aadhaar linking. So the data is little bit important. Try to get just few points, not much, because again you don't want to get derailed by data. Coming to page number 10, mixing news with views dangerous, says CJI. What is the context that he is saying in? Why he is saying that your views with news is always a bad thing, given the current context and current climate in terms of spread of fake news and spread of opinion as news, which is dangerous to any society. Center had justified FCRA non-renewal in top court. What are the reasons that the government of India is giving for non-renewing some of missionaries or some of organizations FRCA licenses? Why they are saying that we need to monitor whatever the money is coming into India from outside. So IIT Kharagpur calendar says Aryan invasion is a myth. Again, this is something that you have to be aware of. History perspective. Apart from it, not much important, but history perspective. Try to understand what is the status of Aryan invasion in terms of Indian history. Coming to page number 11, you don't have much again there. Coming to page number 12, Omicron has high immune escape potential in SACOG. Get an understanding of why they are saying that it has high immune escape potential. What is in SACOG? What has been their role in terms of fighting COVID-19 in our country? From that perspective, do read this article. Atal Innovation Ranks puts IITs, IISCs on top. First, what is Atal Innovation Ranks? When was it introduced? Who introduces it? Or which ministry controls it? From that perspective, read this article. Not only that, try to understand what are the parameters as to uh, the rankings calculate to give out the ranks. More defense systems to be locally manufactured. So you have to look it from Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make in India campaign. Not only that, self-reliant defense sector. Why it is the need of the hour? Why can't India be on importing critically need defense equipment? What has been the push? What are the PLI schemes? From that perspective, go about this article. Coming to world, page number 13, WHO warns of COVID tsunami overwhelming health systems. Informative. Hong Kong news outlet shutdowns. Informative. Prelims perspective, what is Stan News? What has been their history against China? From that perspective, read this article. Palestinian president makes rare visit to Israel for talks. Just informative. Again, Palestine-Israel relations, something that you have to look into from. Coming to page number 14, banks GNPAs may rise to 9.5% by September. What are bank GNPAs? Why they are saying that they might rise? What are the factors attributing to the rise of GNPAs, gross non-performing assets, in the banking sector? Government may find it hard to meet fiscal deficit target, RBI. Why they are saying that? Again, factors. How has been the economic recovery? What are the roadblocks in economic recovery? What are the incentives that the government of India came out to boost economy? Have they worked? Have they not worked? How has been the policy response by the RBI? Has it been effective? Hasn't been effective? How has inflation affected the overall this thing? These are the areas that you have to do a deep dive into understanding why government may find it to meet its fiscal deficit target. So OCI is buying property don't need RBI not. So this is something of a two-pointer. One, what are the rights of OCIs? What are the conditions on OCIs from that perspective? Immigration perspective, rights of individual perspective. That is how to you have to look it out from. IT department eases norms for faceless appeal scheme. So what is this faceless appeal scheme? Why they have introduced it? Just informative. Apart from it, not much. Text and context. The continuing medical malady is something that you have to have an understanding, because this is going on currently, and the outcome would certainly bear an impact on how India will respond to the third wave of COVID-19. Coming to the next article, a victory for the dairy sector. At the core of the issue is dairy sector. Try to get an understanding of what the government of India needs to do to protect our domestic dairy sector, and what is the current status of dairy sector contributions to our economy. Thank you. Please do subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends. Stay safe. Namaste.